Okay, on this next section, we're going to be talking about bulk adding customers to the routes. So we've already imported our customer base. We set up our route, and the videos for that, you can click the link in the description below. But now we got to add all these customers. And if you want to see where all your customers are, you click on Manage and this menu right here. This gives you a list of all the cities where your customers are. Now, if you only have a couple of cities and thousands of customers, you only have like 3 of them up here. But now we set up a north route and south route. And if we scroll down here to where it says bulk actions, okay, now you only want to use this after you import your thousands of customers or whatever. But let's say that everybody, you could select everybody from a city and then assign them to a route. So if you want to take everybody in Aberdeen and assign them to the north or south route, you just do that and click add. And that immediately adds all those customers from that city to that route. Okay. So let's go ahead and add a few cities to the north route. We'll add Abilene. We'll add Abascal. All the A's. We'll just take, well, maybe just some of the A's. Okay. Up until Akron. Now, if we look for any of those customers that are in Akron, and we could just use the search feature, AKRON, and we could see that this person is in Akron, Ohio, and we can see that this person is on the north route here. Okay. Now, the program automatically adds their geolocation when you load these people up into your application. So if we go to the north route, back to the north route here, we could see now we have 6 customers on the north route. Okay. But that's all from taking this powerful feature where we're taking everybody from this city and adding them to that route. Two, you could take everybody from a certain zip code, maybe 10309, and we can add them to possibly the south route. And that just took everybody with that zip code and added them to that route. Then you could take everybody from a certain street name and add them to a route as well. Okay. This bulk section, this is a little bit different. You can add everyone that matches a street name and a city to a route. So this is helpful is like if you have everybody in Aberdeen here, okay, and maybe they have a certain street name. Maybe they're on Dorset, and you have a northeast and a northwest route. You would add them to that specific route. But check the video before this, and you can add as many routes as you want. You get all these people set up on these routes. Now, sometimes whenever we're setting up a route, the odd numbers are on one side of the street, and the even numbers are on the other side of the street. So if we take, for example, Dorset, we take the even numbers in the city of Aberdeen, then we can add them to this route. And then maybe you want to take the odd numbers and then add them to the other route, and then you click add, just like that. So this is a bulk feature, and you'll only use it whenever, after you've imported like thousands of customers, because literally you could take thousands of customers and assign them to a route. And that's what makes this feature so valuable. It's going to save you a lot of time, and you can always go back and edit those people, individually if you like. But this was just a real asset to this application. So whenever you're importing thousands of customers, you can instantly assign them to a route. This is Max with Waste Management Panda, and I'll see you in the next video.